Hey guys, Coach Oliver here. Sorry I am out today, but I am off up in Lawrenceville, Georgia, and I am growing as a coach today at Georgia Gwinnett College at the Diamond Coaches Summit. I did want to take a chance since I'm not here to explain it, so in case you want to work over the weekend, you can, about our project for this unit. So in our previous 5 units, we've done quizzes, we've done tests. But for this unit, we're only doing a project. Now you'll see this is our transformations project. Okay. This is our test for this unit. In class for the next 3 days, we're going to cover translations and reflections, rotations and dilations, and then a composition of transformations. The last day next week before it is due will be for you guys to work in class and ask questions if you have them. So for everyone, ninth and 10th graders, our project is due by next Friday at 3:15 p.m. Now the issue becomes our lovely sophomores are on their medieval times field trip. So for those individuals, it is imperative that you get this thing turned in either in that first period on Friday or even the night before, so you're not trying to rush and get it turned in. Each day that it's late will be a 3-point penalty. And remember, we have Thanksgiving after next week, so it can snowball on you awfully quickly if you don't get it done. Okay? There's a rubric down here that is going to give you the full grading guidelines, but I wanted to take another quick second to talk and give you the Cliff Notes version. So what you're going to do is you are going to create a pre-image using your initials. So I'm going to pull up my example real quick. Okay. So you can see my initials are SSO, Stephen Sean Oliver. So this guy over here, this is my labeled pre-image. Our pre-image must contain at least 30 points. Okay. I numbered them here. That is so I can show you that I have all 30. I've got 32 exactly. And it also makes our math part a lot easier. Okay. Once I have this pre-image created, I am going to create 3 different personality things about me, one for each letter. So you can see my first S is a baseball coach. Baseball's kind of been a lot of my life. My second S is Jacksonville Jaguars, Atlanta Braves, and the Georgia Dogs. And my last O is video games. Nintendo 64, little Xbox, little PlayStation. Okay, that's my pre-image. Once I have that done, I am going to make sure that it's all in one quadrant. So here, mine is all in quadrant 2. I am then going to either perform 3 separate transformations or one giant composition, but I must do a rotation. So I rotated down here, a reflection, and a translation and dilation. So the translation dilation is a composition. It has to happen together. Okay, I slid it to the right and then dilated it by 1/2. So I made it smaller by half. Okay. The resulting images can be colored however you want. Don't leave them in black and white. White lined paper is not a color. Okay. Mine, if you look at my example, I had red and black, navy and blue, and then the Jaguars. You don't have to do that. It can just be all blue. Make sure you're neat with it though. Okay. You must have at least 30 points and showing all work to receive full credits. Drawing an arrow from your work is not showing work. Okay, you must actually go through the process. It's going to eventually be 90 different transformations that you're doing because if you have 30 points, translating once, rotating once, reflecting once, that's 30 total, right? Okay, if you just give me the answers, I'm going to take 50% off points for each section. Okay, pre-image must be decorated to show personality. The other images may be colored however you see fit. Note that it's colored, not black and white. White lined paper is not a color. There must be three different personality pieces. Each one, three, each letter gets its own piece, not one, three times. Okay, take advantage of class time you get. Your only homework for this unit will be this project. So technically, when you get your translation and reflection, your homework that night could be reflecting your pre-image across. And then when we do rotation, your homework could be rotating your pre-image across. And it's only 30 problems, which you can knock out in about 10 minutes with graphing. Okay? Now, I do have some bonus points opportunities, but before I get there, let's talk about how you're going to complete it. So I've had students in the past, they drew it on their Chromebook. I've had students in the past draw it on a singular sheet of graph paper. They put it on poster board. One person made a cake last year, which was neat. Okay. Fun, different things. Okay. It's due by the end of the school day next Friday by 3:15. If you turn it in next Thursday by 3:15, 3 bonus points. Next Wednesday by 3:15, 6 bonus points. Okay. Make sure you read through the rubric, see that it has to be every point, everything has its own piece. Okay, colored nicely. Okay, and then overall presentation. Please do not bring me a crumpled up sheet of paper and expect me to give you full credit there. Okay? Take care and pride in what you do. Okay? As always, if you guys have any questions, I will be back on Monday, or you can email me and I'll try to get to them. But my clinic is Friday and Saturday. You know, you got time with Jesus and the wife on Sunday. But I appreciate you guys, and we shall see you later.